Is there an issue with your GE microwave? Well, there's no need to worry. This Appliance Helper's repair guide will cover error codes, troubleshooting, and other useful repair information to get your microwave up and running again. For more assistance, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your GE microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive GE microwave error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code F1. Problem: open thermal sensor, due to excessive heat in a microwave cavity. Code F2. Problem: shorted thermal sensor. Code F3. Problem: shorted touchpad panel. Code F4. Problem: open humidity sensor. Code F5. Problem: shorted humidity sensor. Code F6. Problem: shorted temperature probe. Code F10. Problem: shorted touch screen. Code probe. Problem: open temperature probe or the probe is not plugged in during a temp cook function. Make sure the probe is firmly inserted into the wall of the microwave and the food item. Code 888. 8888. Or PF. Problem: it is possible to see this display upon initial installation or after power was restored due to a power failure. This display can be cancelled and normal operation resumed by touching the clear pad. The clock can be reset on models so equipped. Code 18. Power watch code. Problem: indication of an issue with the electronic control in the microwave. If you're looking for help fixing your GE microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive GE microwave troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The microwave runs but does not heat. If the microwave runs but is not heating, it could be one of many components. Make sure the timer function was not inadvertently used. Check to ensure the door is closed firmly. Close it firmly, but do not slam. This confirms the engagement of the door's safety mechanisms. Microwave cavity repair needed due to arcing, chipping, peeling, or scorching. Arcing is the microwave term for sparks in the oven, which can be caused by metal or foil touching the side of the oven, using metal utensils, or improper placement of the metal rack on the shelf supports. Please read and follow the owner's manual for important safety instructions. In the event of a hole in the microwave's cavity wall, the damage is non-repairable and you should discontinue the use of the product. It is also recommended that the microwave be replaced if arcing continues to occur. Minor chips to the coating on the microwave's interior cavity will not affect the product's performance. Microwave touch control panel not operating correctly. If the microwave key panel is not responding or working properly, check the following. Make sure that the microwave is plugged into a grounded outlet. It must be a 3-prong outlet. Make sure the clock is set. Check to see if a programming sequence was entered. Sometimes improper programming or a program sequence such as delay start can cause the touch panel to be non-responsive. Unplug the microwave or turn off the house circuit breaker for 30 seconds. Plug back in, or reset the circuit breaker, and try reprogramming the unit. Check the house circuit breaker. If the microwave is dead and there is no display and nothing works, the problem could be a blown fuse or tripped breaker. The microwave turntable does not turn. If the turntable does not turn, check the following. Make sure the turntable is centered and seated properly. On models with a stirrer motor, there is a shaft protruding up through the floor of the microwave. Make sure the turntable is securely fastened to this shaft. On models that turn on a ring with wheels attached, make sure the turntable is seated securely on the ring. Check the turntable to make sure it is placed right side up. If the turntable plate is upside down, it will drag on the floor of the microwave. Check to make sure that there is no food or debris under the wheels of the turntable ring. Food can prevent the wheels from moving forward. Be certain you are pressing a cook function rather than a timer function. If the microwave has a turntable on/off feature, make sure the turntable was not inadvertently turned off. Try depressing the turntable on/off pad to re-engage the turntable. If you're looking for help fixing your GE microwave, look no further. Our comprehensive GE microwave repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, GE manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of GE appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. GE microwave is not heating. Diode. The diode converts the AC power output of the transformer to DC, doubling the voltage to nearly 5.000 volts. This high voltage powers the magnetron to heat the food. If the diode burns out, the magnetron won't receive enough voltage to operate, preventing the microwave from heating. When the diode fails, it is often visibly burned out. Inspect the diode, and if the diode is burned out, replace it. If inspecting the diode proves inconclusive, test it with a multimeter that uses a 9-volt battery, or put a 9-volt battery in series with the diode. When the leads are reversed, the diode should only have continuity in one direction. Warning: the microwave oven can store a lethal amount of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the high running voltage and the potential for electric shock. It is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the diode. GE microwave not working. Line fuse. If too much current passes through the microwave circuitry, the line fuse will blow. If the line fuse blows, the microwave won't start. To determine if the line fuse is at fault, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the fuse does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, you should investigate and resolve the problem that caused the fuse to blow. If you don't resolve the underlying issue, the new fuse will blow too. Caution: the microwave oven can store thousands of volts of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the potential for electric shock, it is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the line fuse. GE microwave light bulb not working. Light bulb. The light bulb itself might be burned out. Replace the light bulb before replacing any of the parts associated with the light bulb. GE microwave shuts off after a few seconds. Door switch. A door switch might be failing intermittently. Check each of the door switches for signs of overheating, arcing, or burning. If you don't see any obvious signs of failure, use a multimeter to test each switch for continuity. If any of the switches is visibly damaged or only has intermittent continuity, replace it. GE microwave turntable not turning. Turntable motor. Use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity. If the turntable motor does not have continuity, replace it. GE microwave buttons not working. Touchpad. To determine if the touchpad is defective, try pressing each of the buttons on the control panel. If some of the buttons respond correctly while others don't, replace the touchpad. GE microwave display not working. Main control board. If the display goes out partially, the display board is more commonly at fault. If the display isn't working at all, either the main control board or the display board could be at fault. GE microwave turns on by itself. Main control board. First, make sure that the touchpad is working properly. If the touchpad is working properly, the main control board is likely at fault. If the control board is defective, replace it. GE microwave is sparking or arcing. Waveguide cover. The waveguide cover might be damaged and shorting out. Try removing the waveguide cover and see if the problem resolves. If the waveguide cover is burnt or will not stay in place, replace it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more repair guides.